Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a Google Drive account. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps. And if you wanna change this account the Google account, you just click on the profile icon at the top or your picture at the top. You can click on it, and after this you can click on the account that you want to add, maybe on this one, or you can add the another account in here. It's so simple, right? So that's how to change a Google Drive account. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.